How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. The first things first is access your Chromebook web browser, and once you successfully access it, we will be visiting a website that has only limited access to it. So if this is going to be the first time using this proxy site on your school Chromebook, then you will not have any problems in the future. So if this is not your first time using it, you just have to delete all the browsing data from your school Chromebook so that accessing it is still applicable. So the website is called gonna be easyfun.gg. So again, if this is your first time accessing it using your school Chromebook, then you can still access it. But if it's not going to be the first time, then what you want to do is just to go on the three dots in your school Chromebook and head over directly to delete browsing data so that the system will not be able to detect the proxy site. So in here, what you want to do first is just go directly to this space right here and then just look for the specific game, which is gonna be Roblox. So you just have to scroll all the way to the left till you find the game Roblox, and then by there you just have to type in the play now button. And that's how easy you can play Roblox in your school Chromebook.